So, in this video, I'm going to do a Dotticure. Now, a little prep beforehand, and please, if you are new, like this video, leave me a comment, tell me how I did something wrong. I will take any and all feedback from you. So, I'm using my Twexy hinge to hold my Nail Tech Ridge Filler base coat. And these are my natural nails, so I do use the base coat, and it is made for natural nails. So now we're going on to, I'm speeding this up so that it's not ages long, but that is Hollow Taco I'm Over Brew, and that's from the tea collection a couple years ago. And just doing a quick, yep, there, all its magic onto all of my hands. And I use a Wet n Wild eyeliner brush for cleanup, and just 100% pure acetone. Oh, look, more magic. It's on both hands. So using my dotting tools, I got these on Amazon. They're fairly cheap. And this is Go for Gold from Sally Hansen. And I like the Insta Dry from Sally Hansen for nail art because it dries quickly. So I did put a Sally Hansen Instant Dry top coat on just to smooth things out before doing the dotting. So the dotting on this manicure is mostly on my thumb, and I decided to kind of go ham with the dotting on my thumbs, and then on every other finger you'll see in a moment the other just small accent for those. Cleaning up a little bit. That's why I like this angled brush. So back to what I did for the other nails, I used the smaller side of the dotting tool and just put a single dot in each finger toward the top. So it's nice gold and maroon. And there we go. It was all done. This probably took me 2 hours to do all of the color. That's the Sally Hansen Dries Instantly. And then, of course, I finished everything off with a nice, thick, Hollow Taco Glossy Taco. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe. It'll help me so much to grow this channel and with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!